Hey guys, Nehemiah and Brenna here. We just finished doing our anniversary video, which is kind of something we do every year. But this is not that video, because I don't have any video of my mom and dad before kids.
Update. I graduated from college and we threw an awesome party.
Brenna, it could get worse. I don't know for certain.
Could, but I hope it gets better.
I hope it gets better.
Brenna,
I love Cheetos.
aim for the moon, because even if you miss, you land among the stars.
You did it.
Don't give Nehemiah the checkbook.
The little brown package in the house, I forgot about.
What color is it?
Brown.
We're talking about birth, so you might want to stop it. Why? Shut up.
So after the party, we moved our house to Oklahoma City, thanks to Brenna's dad and Colton Johnson, who is incredibly good looking. Josh and Max were a big help, but Colton put in 9 hours and
Colton was a real MVP.
Okay, so after we moved our house, we left it at the trailer park for 2 weeks and went to Europe.
It was so much fun. When we got back from Europe, I started my first full-time job with OG&E.
She makes the power happen. So now we live here in Oklahoma City in a mobile home park on Reno. So if you're ever driving down Reno, our house is very obnoxious yellow. If you hear cars driving by right now, that is why, because we live right on the street.
It's like a meter
house,
away.
Street. Let's just give a quick drone shot. Oh, we have a cat. Also, if you followed us making our tiny house at all, you saw a lot of poorly done videos of time lapses. Well, not a lot of you saw them because they didn't have very many people watch them. I do want to make a tiny house tour video, or tiny house video for the people that haven't come see it yet.
So this is a cool thing. We just started a family blog called REESES Go. We're REESES Go Tiny. Caleb and Deb are REESES Go Omega. Josh and Sierra are something. We've got REESES Go Diva, maybe?
We're still trying to incorporate Omega. We're thinking Reese's Gone. All right, that's all we got. Happy anniversary to me.
Oh, what about me?
Happy anniversary to Benster. That's all. Thanks. Bye.